Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome my YouTube channel e-learning and teaching. Please subscribe my channel, like and comment and share with other. Thank you very much.
Topic: Don't. Standard second. Subject: English. Lesson prepared by Javed Muhammad Maqsood. Gulshan Islam Urdu School. Don't bite your nails. Don't pick your nose. Don't fight. Don't make a noise. Don't tease your friends. Don't throw rubbish on the floor. Don't cry. Don't push. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel e-learning and teaching and share with others. Thank you.